Hello guys, welcome to this Apache HTTP server series. In this, we are just going to see about how to configure HTTPS protocol using Apache. Okay, if you see, still now we have accessed this website, which is hosted in a web server using a typical HTTP protocol, right? So this is what prefixes, and this is the listening port for the HTTP. Okay, it's 8080. So if I given this, I'm getting the website, right? So now I want to configure a secure shell, means it's a secure socket layer protocol. Okay, so if I need to do that, then the default port for SSL is 443. Okay, so I should access the website something like this. Okay, but this will not work uh, because we didn't configure it for this. Okay, so we are just going to cover how to access your website over SSL in this particular session. Okay, okay. The you can see the list of steps in the documentation itself. I'll just show you where you can get it. Just need to go to this particular section and SSL configuration how to. First thing you need to do is you need to download the mod SSL SO if you didn't download it earlier. Just check your model section, and once you download it, you need to load the model in your main http.conf file, and once you're done with the loading of model, then you need to enable the listening port and the virtual host section. Okay, the first step which we are going to do is download the SO, because I don't have SO file in my model sections. Okay, so I don't have any models yet, so I need to download the SSL SO file. So if you don't know how to install the models in Apache, I have created a webcast for the same. You can just go through this. Okay, just show it. It might help you. Okay, so this is the install model section. You can just go through it if you don't know how to install a model. So first you have to go to your wherever you unzip that particular file, go to the particular place. Okay, so here you have configure. So first you have to pass the prefix. I know the prefix is Apache. Okay, and I need to enable mods, shared models. Okay, shared models and SSL. Just okay. So I need permission to perform this. Then I'll just pass it. Okay, this may take a while. So just I'm skipping this. Okay, so the installation is complete, and once the installation is complete, what it will do is it will create the configuration file also for you, which includes by default this particular listening and the remaining stuff in it. Okay, so that's beautiful about this Apache. And yeah, I forgot to say one thing. Okay, when I was trying to install this SSL model, initially I got an error. Okay, just I want to show you that. So I initially got an error like configure error, no recognized SSL TLSL toolkit data. Okay, when you will face this kind of errors, you might miss your SSL headers. Okay, so to do this, you just need to install your SSL headers. Okay, which in Ubuntu it is libssl dev along with OpenSSL, just for sake. And if you need to run it as in root, you just need to give sudo. Okay, if you install it and after that if you try to run config, then that will work fine. Okay, so now we need to execute two more commands. Sudo, so I need to run the make, and we need to run make install. Once that is done, Then the models SPO model will be created and the config file will be there in the extra config directory, and we just need to enable the particular SSL listening port, and let's okay, we just check it. Okay, that's it. Okay, conf. So I have that. Just have to check models, right? So okay, models. So I have the SSL models now available, and similarly you can check the config file as well. Okay, the config file which we need to include for this, it is an extra. Okay, so you just need to check HTTP so SSL config. Okay, so this is the file which we need to include in our uh, main file. So I just need to, first of all I need to load the model, right? So I will just go to the load model section. Okay, just I copy this. So it is mod SSL, and this is SSL model. So I just clear that. The next step is you need to include the file, right? So which includes, okay. So here you have the particular SSL file. You just need to just uncomment this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now we'll try to start the server, but one more step is pending, which is you need to create certificate and key file for the SSL. Okay, so as like any other SSL signing, for this web server also you need to create the certificate, digital certificate using the X509 mechanism. Okay, so just go to the bin Apache and I just try to restart it because it's already started. So, but what I done? Oh, oh, sorry, okay, but the thing is it is throwing error like there is no SSL certificate. Okay, just I have the command over here. This is going to use OpenSSL executable, and I'm just going to install the X509 certificate, which is 365 days do not expiry, and the key, and I'm just creating this without a password. Okay, so it will create a key out file, which is dot key and certificate, because both of them need to be included. You can just verify this file. So we need to include SSL certificate file and SSL key file. Okay, that's what we are going to create. Okay, so just I copy this command and just I paste it. Okay, so that's it. But I did not bin. Okay, it's just move to the config because we just mention it should be in config. So now just restart the server and I can just verify this over here, and it is asking whether to proceed. So I'm just giving proceed, and the website is accessible using the HTTPS protocol with 443 port. Okay, the default SSL port. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. See you in the next session. Bye bye.